Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not working. So if you're facing the same issue, make sure you follow the instruction till the end and you can do the same instruction on any device. On the top right you will see your settings here. Just go and click on the settings now and you will be into your Roblox settings. Now here, to activate your voice chat, first of all you have to verify your age, and it can only happen if you're more than 18 plus. If you're not 18 plus, then there's no way that you will able to access your voice chat. So you have to enter your correct date of birth here. Now click on verify my age, and here you have to enter all these documents to verify your age, right? So you can just scan this QR code, and here you have to enter your correct driving license or passport, ID card or something which can prove that you're 18 plus, you're an adult. Then once your age has been verified, here on the left side you will see a lot of options. Go to privacy section. Now here inside the communication you will see that who can text me, message friends, and you can change everything here, and somewhere you will find this option of voice chat. So this can only happen if you have if you have verified your age, and here you can just activate your voice chat, right? So this is really easy, and you can also use your camera input and everything here, and that's it. I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe.